All right, guys, let's do SQL Interview Question Part 2. Assume you have this table, the employees table, very simple table. As you can see here below, we have we have 8 different names, 3 different last names, and there are 5 null last names. And this is the question. What do you think that is the result if we run this query? What are we going to get out of this query? How many rows and which values do you think we'll get? Even though it looks very simple, and I have seen people misunderstanding this functionality in all the seniority levels, from juniors to senior and principal, people fail in this when doing software. So what would you say that is the correct answer? Let's run it. So we get only 2 rows, and we only get rows where the value is populated. Even though, if you think it in a way, last name, when it is null, it is not equal to the last name Shin. So let's go back to the table because I would like to explain quickly why. This is the way it was explained to me a long time ago. When you have the value null in databases in SQL, it is not in fact a value. It is, for the DBMS, it is an unknown. So if you have something that you don't know and you compare against something you don't know, you cannot say it is equal. So that's why when you run these queries, you cannot do a comparison, because for the DBMS, it is an unknown value. It is not the same to have something empty than to have something null. So for example, if we null this row Bob and we do where first name equal to last name, it won't return this row, even though they are both nulls, because the thing is you are comparing something that you don't know against something that you don't know, and that's not the same. It cannot be the same because you don't know what is inside. That's why when you run queries with null, you always need to make sure that you do the is null. Or sometimes, for example, in Oracle, you can do NVL and you replace the null with a real value. You also have in Oracle decode, and you have also in Postgres, it is called colons, and yeah, there are different versions according to the DBMS, but it's something very good to understand.